Good news, we got the stitches out. I mean, that was some brutal work for a hook. I'll tell you what. Anyway, here's a picture. And watch the 8 seconds it took to remove the sutures. Here you go. It's time to take these stitches out of my hand. Got it. Oh, 1 down, 2 to go. Number 2 is coming out, maybe. Voila. 2 down, 1 to go. Was that from New York?
I don't remember where I got it.
And, we got a guest. There's all the stitches are out. It looks like hell. Mm-hmm. They did make a giant friggin' hole when they were digging around. Thank you. All right, so at any rate, U.S.A. Bassin stop number 3. We could only weigh 4 fish. Like, caught a couple unders, like little ones. Dude, I never catch little ones out there. They're always like 2.5 and up, or I don't catch anything. I caught 2 fish like 10 inches, but in that lake for the tournament stuff, everything bass related has to be 12 inches or bigger. So it really was kind of a kick in the ass. I expected to get a limit in that lake. I tend to do that regularly, so that hurt. The winning weight was 26 pounds ish. I believe someone had a 9-pounder. I didn't see it get weighed. It got weighed before we weighed in, so good for them. That's badass. They're in there. So the only thing I can say is I'm gonna kind of keep my hand on the pulse of that lake. Our next event there's not until July 14th. This event was on the 9th of June, I believe. I might correct myself later with a digital thing, but we busted out real quick and got one. Like, bam. I went to one of my spots and I knew we could pick one up. I was hoping for a bigger one. Ooh. Yes. Nice start, chick. Nice start.
That hurt my butt.
You okay?
Mm-hmm.
It's a great start.
Ugh. Your butt hurts?
Mm-hmm. What happened? We started off, I think that was a 3-pound, 3-ounce fish to start the day. And then I thought, wow, we got this going on. And then the storm moved in and shut everything down for about a half hour. We busted back to the ramp because we were fairly close. And there's a protected cove with a covered structure. So we just hung out in there for however long it took, about 20 minutes, half hour. Right when we left the marina, Drake was throwing a whopper plopper, just kind of sitting down, resting his back a little bit. And got into a decent one. So right on. And now we got 2, and it's only 7:40 in the morning, 7:30, and
Push it again. It's recording now.
we could not put anything together. I caught one on a spinnerbait and then one on a whopper plopper. It was raining. I just picked it up thinking, hey, I need to make a racket here real quick, and picked one up. And we couldn't get, I had some blow ups, but nothing to write home about. Nothing that's normal for me at this lake.
This one's a funky color. Yeah. You hit me. Okay. Well, we got 4. Not very good. I'll be here tomorrow, though. I'd like to be. All but one of them are in that big size.
We are looking forward to the July event. Drake and I are going to do a little bit more practicing when things slow down for him in a little bit. He's pretty busy through all of June and beginning of July. So anyway, I look forward to talking to you guys soon. Thank you for watching. I'll see you real soon. Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Mark. Well, I'll tell you what, we're gonna go out here on the lake, just right here today. The weather's kind of windy, but we're gonna go make the best of it.